Hello friends, I welcome you all to Arpita Singh. This be channel. We all know that more important than the internal security of country is the external security of our country. Till now there was only a ground dispute with China and Pakistan, but in the America there has been a change of power. Mr. Biden is the then President of America. Power changes in every democratic country. But the attitude of America is changing, so it is surprising. This sudden change in its attitude is telling a different story. On 7 April 2021, the USS John Paul Jones DDG 53 used naval rights and freedoms in the EEZ, India's special economic zone. 130 nautical miles west of Lakshadweep. According to Indian law in EEZ, it is mandatory for any country to first get approval for military exercises and movement, but USS did maneuvers in the important and sensitive waters of India without permission. When India conveyed its consents to the United Nations, the United States issued a statement in clear terms and said that is not a wrong mistake, that the Navy will continue to do so. The US commander said in his statement that freedom of navigation operation challenged the claims of India's over sea territory and made the statutory use of the rights and freedoms and freedom recorded in international law. The US Navy conducts day-to-day activities in the Indo-Pacific region. All its operations are designated according to international law. Under this, he can carry out his naval operations wherever he wants to fly. The US Navy says that is not the first time it has undertaken such operations in India's SEZ, that it has been regularly running the freedom of navigation operations. It has done this in the past and will continue in the future as well. As for the time being, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs informed the media that the United Nations law does not allow anyone to exercise in its EEZ without the permission of the concerned coastal country. It has been conveyed, and our leaders are so expert in diplomacy that for the past few years India and the US have been besieging China, and together with Japan and Australia then have formed the Quad. The special thing is that the navies of the four countries together participate in the Malabar exercise. Despite this is the American Navy Indian waters enter. If is incomprehensible for our leaders from our country, they can cause violence inside but not outside the country. There they cannot let the non-violent image of their country, be spoiled. Our young brothers should be martyred. Our land, our water area is getting occupied. No matter what right now, then had overpower to them will think to do. Thanks. जय हिंद, जय भारत.